The physical transformation begins as debarked bamboo is fed into high-speed rotary chippers for initial size reduction.
Heavy-duty hammer mills then strike the material with immense force, breaking down the fibers into uniform chips.
Vibrating industrial screens ensure only the most consistent fibers proceed to the secondary milling and grinding stages.
Secondary grinders pulverize the remaining wood structure, creating a coarse sawdust substrate ready for the final refinement.
Centrifugal cyclone separators isolate the finest particles, maintaining the high purity standards essential for premium industrial charcoal.
Within the anaerobic kiln, the bamboo begins its deep thermal decomposition at temperatures exceeding 800 degrees.
Oxygen is strictly excluded to prevent combustion, allowing the organic material to transform into pure, stable carbon.
The final transformation produces a jet black material with immense surface area and superior industrial absorption properties.
Intense heat is rapidly dissipated in nitrogen-filled cooling chambers to stabilize the carbon structure for further processing.